Forgive yourself for all the mistakes you make and for all the faults you have and for all the angry things you may have said. Forget about that. Forgive yourself. Think of the wonderful opportunity you got to actually come down here and be a spirit in a human body having all these wonderful experiences and all these awful experiences. But the sum total of them is going to cause you to have soul growth, and it's a positive. And then you go back home again. This is not your home. You came here to play this game, to have these experiences. Home is when you... So there's nothing to be fearful or afraid of. You're going to go to a wonderful place.